follow you, but I have completely shifted my mindset to believe that I am a millionaire. I am a successful millionaire, point blank, period. How am I going to get there? How did I do it? Reprogramming my subconscious mind. I have already healed. I've already learned what self-love is, self-worth. I recognized, I released, and I reprogrammed my mind from all my traumas. And now I am ready to step into that millionaire mindset. And how are we going to do that? Continue reprogramming the subconscious mind, but now we're doing it around money. So when you think of your subconscious mind, think of your subconscious mind as a bank. If you're going to the bank and depositing negative deposits, I am broke, I can't afford that, I have too many bills, the bills keep piling up, we can't go on vacation because we don't have enough money, your bank account is going to be in the negative. If you start depositing positive deposits, I love money, money loves me, I'm successful, I'm wealthy, money manifests me. The more positive deposits you are putting into your subconscious mind, the more money you will get. Whatever we focus on, the subconscious magnifies. So if you're always talking negative about money, you're going to continue to be broke. What we love increases. What we criticize fades out of our life. Really sit with that. If you're always criticizing money or people who have money, they think they're too good, they're stuck up, money is bad, money is evil, money is the devil, money brings in all of these bad things. It doesn't. Money is what you make it out to be, and money is energy. And I don't know about you, but I love money. And I used to not like talking about money because I cared what people think. But when I reach my millionaire goal, I am definitely not going to give two shits what anybody thinks.